Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'm making a breakfast for weight loss. For the recipe you will need oats, milk, water, maple syrup, almonds, strawberries and bananas. Let's get started. This is the weight loss aider. It will keep you fuller for longer. Now I add my oats. Next I'll add my milk. After that, some water. Now give it a stir. After this, I'll put it in the microwave for 1 to 2 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay guys, my oats are ready. I'll give it a quick stir, then start to add my fruits and nuts. First, I'll start adding my strawberries. Next, I'll add in my bananas. Finally, my almonds. Now I'll add my maple syrup. Doesn't that look amazing? Wow. We are now coming to the end of the video. Can you like, share, comment and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.